Happy Chinese New Year from ITD World. Let's celebrate this season with joy, growth, and success.
Gong Xi Fa Kai, make it clear, the best version of you is here. Learn, grow with us, align. Every step your skills refine. Mindset strong, never give in. Through training, every heart can win. A brighter future's on the way. Start the journey today. New year, new heights, let's rise. Coaching dreams to touch the skies. Training minds, ignite the fire. Your goals achieved, we inspire.
With ITD World, we wish you a bright and happy Chinese New Year. Together, let's lead, grow, and shine. Happy Chinese New Year.